Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful mixed media slimline card for Father's Day, and I have created here a shaker window inside this. Also I will share how to make this beautiful mixed media background along with these lovely paper quilling shaded flowers. Isn't it looking very pretty? And trust me, this is super duper easy to make as well. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this beautiful cardstock which is 9 by 19 centimeter. It is already having lots of print, so we don't need to do much on this. You can take any kind of pattern paper, whatever you have. Then I am taking this beautiful stencil, and I have prepared my own texture paste by using baby powder, Fevicol and some acrylic colors. So just mix it very well, and using the palette knife just apply on top of the stencil to create nice texture. So here I am taking both the shades together, little bit of pink and little bit of white. Today my theme is based on pink shade, so I have created the pink shade texture paste, but according to your choice you can change the color. So slowly I am applying the color on right side of the panel. Similarly I am going to repeat the process on the bottom left corner. Pattern is looking very beautiful. You can take any stencil whatever you have, and if you want to learn how to make stencil at home, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Then taking this doily dye and off-white color cardstock and running it through easy cuts machine to get nice and perfect doily cut in one go. This is very nice and compact machine, and the doily is ready. Now I'm just dividing this doily in two parts, then sticking it on the base like this. Then adding some splashes of black color. Like this. Then taking 6 by 9 centimeter cardstock, and I have just left 1 centimeter border from all the sides, creating one more rectangle inside the outer one and cutting the inner rectangle using paper cutter. Here I am making the shaker window, and this is a craft cardstock which is having 300 GSM thickness. So frame is ready. Now add little glue, and I am sticking acetate sheet with this, and then I am adding some cardboard strips on all four sides. You can also take mound board or chipboard so that we can create the shaker inside this, and instead of cardboard you can also use double-sided foam tape to give little height and dimension. And the window is ready. Then I'm just putting some sequences in different colors to make the shaker. Add glue on the panel. Spread it nicely. And then just sticking one pattern paper with this, on which I have already written Happy Father's Day. And the super cute shaker window is ready. I just love to play with this. Then add little glue in the bottom and top and decorating with beautiful border design. Then taking back the panel which we have created earlier, and in the center diagonally I am sticking this shaker window. Like this. Then taking here 20 by 20 centimeter white color cardstock, which is having 300 GSM thickness, and on top of this I am adding gold mirror cardstock, which is 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters. And then I am adding my handmade panel on this. Burnish it nicely using bone folder. Then in the bottom I am adding one strip which is made using gold mirror cardstock and the pattern paper, just to balance the color combination and to add little embellishment. And this is done. Then to decorate this with quilling flowers, here I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more, so just joining both the shapes together and wrapping this whole petal using pink color strip. My one strip length is 45 centimeters, so according to that you have to take your strip. Now I'm just doing little shading work from the center towards the upward using pink color. And then I'm going to join some petals to construct the flower. So here I have added total 7 petals like this. Now to make the center of the flower, here I am taking 2 strips of pink color and making one tight coil. Just sticking it exactly in the center of the flower. And this is ready. So flower is ready. Similar method, I have prepared one more flower using 1/4 strip of white color for each petal. Process is same. Now for the next one, I am taking here 1/4 strip of pink color and I am just making one tight coil. Here I am making the fillers and I have converted this into teardrop shape. Now taking one small strip of pink, folding it from center, attaching with glue to make the stem, and on both sides of the stem I am going to stick these teardrop shapes to make the filler flower. So the filler flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more fillers. Now for the next shape, here I am taking half strip of light green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more. And then I have just prepared some loops using jute thread, added little glue in the bottom and made these loops. Now taking back the card, and first of all in both the corners I am adding these jute thread loops just to give little shabby chic look, and then sticking these flowers and fillers and of course the leaves. And this is done. Then at the end I am just decorating with some light purple color or lilac color sequences here and there to add little charm. And the beautiful mixed media slimline shaker card for Father's Day is ready. You can make it in different colors of your dad's favorite shades, and inside the card you can write the special message to your dad. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.